Hello guys, this is JN Keys. I welcome you all to my piano tutorial. So on today's menu, I'll be talking on setting your piano for worship as a keyboard, pianist, or as a gospel musician. So it's all about creating the atmosphere. Most of the time it's not what you can play, but what is needed for the service. Now everybody can play piano, but not everybody can be a gospel pianist. So my piano is set up. I'll just play when you hear something, then I'll give you the brief explanation. So what I have here, I'm using one part with grand piano. So on my D voice, I use one part, not strings. So I'm using a PSR 463. So what did I do? On my voice, I put grand piano and I run down to my dual. Instead of strings, I decided to use one part. So another thing I did was volume management. We must know how to mix up the volume management. So on my one part, I have my volume at 110. Right down to my M volume, which is where the voice, the grand piano voice is being found. I have the volume at 90. So when you do that mixture, you can bring out a sound like this. So our main purpose is creating the atmosphere of worship. So not about the skill you have, not about the talent you have, or not about 1,000 things you know, but creating the atmosphere for worship.